Have you ever been lucky enough to see an actual snowflake? Well, what if you could keep one of those amazing snowflakes forever? Today on Science with D, I'm going to show you how to preserve a snowflake. You'll need a few materials to preserve your snowflake. You'll need a glass slide, cover glass, super glue, and a thin paintbrush. To keep your snowflake from melting, place your materials in the freezer for 10 minutes before collecting your snowflakes. Putting your materials in the freezer will keep your snowflake from melting when you collect them. Now let's find a snowflake. Carefully scoop up your snowflake with your paintbrush. Carefully put your snowflake onto your glass slide. Then quickly add a dab of super glue and gently place on the glass cover. To keep our snowflake from melting, put our slide into a container full of snow. Then store it in the freezer for 2 weeks. It's been 2 weeks. Now let's check on our snowflake. Whoa! Look at that! We preserved snowflakes! Now how cool is that? Wow, isn't that amazing? We actually preserved our own snowflake. I can't wait to see it under the microscope. Have fun preserving your own snowflake and have fun learning.